Memory management in JavaScript is hard. I wrote this little application to show you how memory management and garbage collection works in JavaScript. So in line 1, I make a global array, window.modules, and it's empty. I also have this class here that on the constructor, it adds itself to windows.modules. The destructor just logs destructing the name that I passed in. I also have a controller to control these modules. It has a push and a pop method that it pushes to this submodules array, pops from it, and then calls the destructor. And I only have one instance of that, and it hangs on window.controller. I also have these methods down here that are attached to the buttons, which lets me push to the controller, pop off the controller, log both the arrays, also clean the window.modules array, and finally clean the controller. So what I'm going to do is add, say, 10 things to this controller and check out the profiles. So if I take a new heap snapshot here, that's from profiles, take heap snapshot, you get all of the objects that are currently in the heap. So if I filter here, I can filter out my module, and you can see I have an object count of 11. This means that I have 10 instances of the object and one class. So if I jump into the first one here, you can see that it has two references. One is in modules in window, so window.modules, and the other one is just submodules in controller, which is window.controller.submodules. So if I jump back to the console here, I can pop all 10 off, and then I can log the arrays. So you can see that window.controller.submodules is empty, and window.modules still has reference to all the objects. So if I go back to profiles, take another snapshot, and we filter again for modules, you will see that I still have an object count of 11 because window.modules is holding 10 of them. So what I can do is I can clean that global array, which empties it all out. I can log it again. You can see that window.controller.submodules is empty, and window.modules is empty as well, which means when I go to do another snapshot, I should only see one module. So you can see I only have an object count of 1, and that's the actual class. So simple application. Hopefully I showed you how memory management and references work in JavaScript and how you can apply this to your own applications.